So everybody knows selling services online is a great way to make money without having to spend anything. But the hardest part is choosing what to sell when there's so many options. What if I told you you could make videos without even having to have a camera? And it would literally cost you less than a Starbucks. Let me explain. And people are already paying hundreds of dollars for this service without having any idea of how much it costs to go ahead and make. The truth is, I didn't think it would work at all until I scaled my agency from absolutely $0 in sales to over $14,000 in a single month. And the crazy part is, most of actually delivering the product, I don't even have to do anything. And right now, it's taken me only a few hours a week to go ahead and manage this on top of everything else. So in my opinion, at least, this could easily take you to over $10,000 in a single month. Look, content fuels almost every business in 2024. And look, without content, businesses would just simply fail. That means it's one of the best places to make money, but it's also one of the hardest places. You see, most videos online are like simple ads like this. Now this is what we call a UGC video. Simply, it's user-generated content. It's meant to blend in with your scrolling and make you think an ad isn't an ad. UGC has made me hundreds of thousands of dollars in the last 5 years through all different kind of business models, but there's one major problem. Now just 3 years ago, you could get a UGC video for $50 or $60 a time. That would mean for most businesses, it would be extremely affordable. But now for a decent quality video, you're paying $500 or $600 a time, plus a thing called a usage fee. That means if you want to advertise for your own video that you've already paid for, you have to pay another $200 or $300 every single year. And simply, businesses are just not paying that price anymore. But in 2025 is where the biggest opportunity is, because that's guaranteed to change. Instead, you can make ad videos like this, where there's no camera, no real creator, and in fact, all of this is AI. This means that businesses are paying anywhere from $40 or $50 a video rather than $500. And you can actually go ahead and make these for less than $5, and I'm gonna show you exactly how. That's only if you don't have the right plan in place. And that's exactly why I've broken this video down into 5 simple and easily repeatable steps, which I took to grow my agency from absolutely $0 to over $14,000 a month. Now, if you miss one of those steps, it's like building a house on a bunch of noodles. Everything else is just gonna go ahead and fall down around you. So make sure to pay attention throughout so you know exactly what to go ahead and do. Now onto step 1, picking your clients. You need to understand one key principle in order to pick the right clients: online agencies and e-commerce brands. I've made over $100,000 running my own e-commerce stores by the age of 18. And just 3 months before, I had a little under £2,000 in my bank account. Look, no matter how good your business is, it needs videos to go ahead and get customers. You can have the best product in the world, the most amazing software, but if nobody goes ahead and sees it, there's no point of having any of it. Just DM me Blueprint and I'll give you a full breakdown on exactly how we get clients for our agency. But the fastest way to get money rolling into your agency is actually much easier than you thought. Face-based AI channels. You may have heard of faceless automation or YouTube automation channels before, but AI channels with faces on is now one of the biggest things in the world. Some of the biggest creators on platforms like Twitch, and they're making tens of thousands of dollars every day. And these creators aren't even real people. All you need to go and do is post viral videos. Now for the last 4 years, I've been making viral content. I grew my own page on TikTok to over 90,000 followers, was able to do tens of millions of views every single week. Then I took that same strategy and brought that into branded dropshipping stores, and was able to generate millions of views on my own ads. And that formula remains the exact same. It's not posting at a weird time or using a trending sound or a hashtag, but it's to do with human psychology, which makes total sense. You see, videos go viral because of engagement on them. If people are commenting, liking, or even arguing in the comments, the video is bound to get traction and ultimately views. And if that's for you trying to get clients, that means that you're getting more clients. And I took this strategy when I was selling slushy cups on TikTok, and they weren't getting thousands of views, but millions. And instead of doing cold outbound leads, try to email different people, you're able to actually earn money from these videos by the TikTok creativity program and the YouTube Shorts Fund. That means while you're looking for clients, you're literally making money at the same time. And you're building an asset which can eventually be sold when you sell your agency. You're doing this all at the same time, building multiple income sources for your one business. Now, an easy way to get more views and more traction is just by posting the videos on every single platform. You can literally 4 or 5x your reach by literally doing nothing. You can play the online making money game in a few different ways. You can choose your primary focus as just purely making profits and not caring a single bit about your client. Now, although that's going to make you money in the short term, long-term success and credibility with yourself is going to drop because of that. Or you can look at actually providing value and getting results for your clients. And when your clients get results, they're ultimately going to refer you more business and you're going to build something for the long term, rather than just a short-term cash grab. And by doing so, every party is going to be able to bring back some money and eat on the table. The thing is, by watching this video, you're probably already on the right path to success. But now it's truly down to you which path you go ahead and choose. Now that's what I call an AA, an automated agency. Running ads for hopeless businesses is literally dead. It provides no real value, they don't really get any results, and you don't even keep any clients on board. As well as that, it's super competitive and everybody does it now. Instead, recreating videos, editing them and powering them towards businesses actually helps them grow, it saves them money and time, and it requires basically no skill to go ahead and start. They can even get millions of views or save thousands of dollars on ads. So like making any ad, the first thing that you have to go ahead and do is jump onto ChatGPT. There, you'll be able to make a script. And for this case, we'll take one of my dropshipping products, which I made over $700,000 with. Honestly, it's such a simple product, but this is really the case with most businesses, is that simple works. Now we've got all of our product in place, all we need to go ahead and do is go over to this site where we can go and generate AI videos. We can just go onto our dashboard here. Once you're into the dashboard, you have tons of UGC creators ready to go. And all we need to do is take a few key details from the product itself. Now, this is the script that I'm using as of right now. It's working really well. It's simple, straight to the point, and it ultimately performs well for clients. We'll just go ahead and copy that all into one place. And then on here, we'll pick a creator who matches with our product. This creator seems pretty good. We'll copy and paste the script in, and then we'll use Make UGC to start creating a new video. Now our generation has started. We have 3 minutes to go ahead and scrape some clips together. And the easiest way to do this is just searching some videos on TikTok, downloading them, and removing the watermark. Simply all we have to do here is pull up Canva. We can go ahead and remove all the audio. Now I've got the video, all I have to go ahead and do is download it. And then go back to Canva, just simply place it over the top of my current video. Reduce down in size a little bit, add the captions on, and then remove the background of the video. This is super key because the rest of the video is actually just a product review. And the video is all complete now. I just put it up on the screen along with tons of other videos that I've done in the exact same method. Now the thing is, this video took me a little over 5 minutes to go ahead and make and cost me somewhere around sort of $4 or $5 to go ahead and generate through AI. And if I wanted to sell this video right now, it would be worth over $300. Now, if you just wanted to get tons of clients on board, you could sell this for $40 or $50 a time. That's almost a 10x markup. Now, if you want to know how to go ahead and sell these videos to different clients, I made a full blueprint, and normally I charge hundreds of dollars for this, but all you have to go ahead and do is send me a message on Instagram, say blueprint, and I'll send you a free guide. So from there, you know exactly how to build an automated agency, which in the end, when you decide to sell your agency, you'll be able to get a much higher price because it's completely automated and your time isn't linked with how much money the business is actually making. And that's exactly what I did just over a year ago when I sold my agency. Now I'm going to be dropping way more on AA agencies over the coming weeks. So if you want to know how to build your own AA agency, subscribe. So the choice is really yours, whether to start an automated business or not. And on that note, I'll see you in the next one.